Hello, this is Anna Laura Brown of AnnaLauraBrown.com and host of the Autoimmune Rehab podcast. Have you heard about magnets and how good magnets can be for your health? Magnets are really something that have become more trendy in recent years, and I had a friend turn me on to this set from Amazon. It's Magnet RX Superior Biomagnetic Therapy, and I'm really glad that she did, and I'll include a link below so you can check it out. But this set comes with 4 magnets that look like this. They're red and then black. And what you can do is you can put these on any part of your body to help alleviate pain. And it sounds a little bit weird, but I found that it works really, really well. Like if I'm having a flare up in my knees, which in case you didn't know, I had knee surgery in 2022 and I'm saving up to do stem cells before the end of 2024. So, knee pain is something I still deal with more than I would like to. You can literally just take it and you can just literally, let me see if I can show, oh, it doesn't really work there, but with the knees I can lift it up. So you can literally just put it on top there, hold it, or you can put it underneath on top of it and then put like some kind of like knee covers or even, some kind of like tape or something to tape it in place and keep it there for a while. Or, if you want it just a little bit, you can basically just kind of give yourself a little bit of relief, like in the wrist right there or whatever, or even stick it behind, like if you're feeling like a little bit of head tension there. And I find that for a lot of things, you really only need to keep the magnet there for about 5 minutes or so. Some things you may want to keep the magnet there for up to an hour. And like I said, this comes with a set of 4, and I personally have never used more than 2 at once, but it's kind of nice to know that you do have those 4. And then it comes, of course, with a let's see, little brochure thing here that gives you like an overview, also has a website and some different things where you can learn about some different things about it. But anyhow, magnets are actually an underutilized tool, I feel like, in your toolbox to help with pain relief. And this set is a really great deal as well. I believe the price varies, but I believe it's around $70 or $80 most of the time on Amazon. And if you've looked at a lot of other magnetic therapies and things like that, you'll know that's a really good deal because sometimes they can literally be hundreds. So anyhow, if you're looking for some quick pain relief, want to try out the magnets, I will include my affiliate link below and would love to have you share with me after you've tried them out.